Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Lee from IBASE Technology. We're at ISE. Our stand is at the Hall 8, C223. Today we introduce our new product. This is a top-of-the-line video wall player. And this player is our professional series. The model is SP-63E. It is a new generation of video wall player. It is high performance, scalable, and field upgradable. High performance, it used the Intel i7 CPU 8th generation chipset. Dual channel memory up to 32 GB and has a dual gigabit LAN. Also, it has a dual SATA, so you can build a RAVe 1 to keep the system. And scalability, the same player has 8 to 24 HDMI outputs. And field upgradable, because we have an output module, IDD107, which is user replaceable and field exchangeable. The key application of this player is video wall. And we use a proprietary Intel Area 10 FPGA module we developed. We call it IDD107. And I will talk a little bit more about the IDD107 later. It basically has one DisplayPort input and 4 HDMI output. And it has an independent power supply. So this player itself has 2 power supplies, one for the PC and one for the modules. And if you look from here, you can see that it actually can support up to 6 IDD107. And each one has 4 HDMI output, so you will have totally 24. And inside the PC, we have the MXM module. So it is very flexible. You can add graphical module or GPU module to boost the performance. For the IDD107 module, this one, it used the Intel Area 10 FPGA technology. So as I said, it has a 1 DisplayPort input, 4 HDMI output, and it supports bezel compensation, which is very important for video wall application. And each module is support 2x2, 4x1, 1x4, 3x1, and 1x3, both landscape and portrait. And it's fully user programmable, and all HDMI output has EDID emulation chips built in. And I said again, it powers separately from the PC to give a high availability. For the video wall, it has several combinations of the screen. You can support 8 output, 9 output, 16, 12, and 24, all 1-to-1 pixels. And each HDMI output is Full HD resolution, which is 1920 by 1080. And again, all bezel can be compensated to make a very professional video wall. And the video wall, you can do 3x2, 3x3, 4x4, or 6x4. And the video wall is buffer. So in case there's a failure of the PC, you still have the last frame from the PC, so you can continue your signage on the screen. And this is some advanced video wall feature that I need to talk about. The EDID, we have a EDID illustration here. If you can see, the EDID is keeping all these screens data. So in case one screen is failure, you still have the large screens, and so you will have this instead of that. And then we have a display status monitoring. So your system can understand how these displays are working. If one of the displays is failure, you will load it before your customer loads. And then we have the IBASE proprietary technology. First one is the iSmart in here. The iSmart is IBASE proprietary technology, which has the BIOS-based on-off scheduler, power on resume after power failure, low temperature gradients, which is in case in a sub-zero temperature, the PC will continue to monitor the status until the system warms up. to put it, which is very important in a situation where temperature is below 0 degrees C. And obviously, it compliant with the EUP, ERP power saving requirement. And then we have an observer technology, which is here. It basically has a chip that can monitor the voltage, temperature sensor, and the fan speed. And IBASE has an eye control remote monitoring technology, which allow our partners to remotely monitor the PC health status, like all these observer technology. You can sit in your office to monitor it, and you can control it to make sure your video wall works the best for you. For more information, please go to our website, www.ibase.com.tw. Thank you very much.